In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a game in the Microsoft Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the game you want, choose the right edition, complete your purchase, and install it on your PC with confidence. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You can launch it from the Start menu by typing Microsoft Store or by selecting it from your taskbar if it's pinned. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if you use multiple Microsoft accounts, it's a good idea to sign in with the account you want to own the game under so your license is saved to the right place. Once the store is open, you can find games in two easy ways. Use the search bar at the top to type the exact title you're looking for, or click the Games tab on the left to browse by category, genre, or featured picks. Filters can help you narrow things down by price or features. If you see a game labeled with a Get button, that means it's free to download. Otherwise, you'll see a price alongside a Buy button. Click the game's title to open its store page. Here, take a moment to review the screenshots, trailer, and description to make sure it's what you expect. Check the System Requirements section to confirm your PC can run it, and note the approximate download size so you have enough storage space. If multiple editions or bundles are available, like standard, deluxe, or versions with bonus content, compare what each one includes so you only pay for what you want. When you're ready, select Buy, or if the game is free, select Get. If you aren't signed in yet, the store will prompt you to log into your Microsoft account. Before finalizing anything, quickly confirm the price, currency, and the account shown in the top right corner so your purchase goes to the right profile. Next, choose how you want to pay. You can pick an existing payment method or add a new one. The store supports credit and debit cards, PayPal in many regions, and gift cards or digital codes you can redeem on the spot. Double-check your billing details, then click Place Order to complete the purchase. If you use additional security on your payment method, you may be asked to verify the transaction. Once purchased, click Install to add the game directly to your PC. You can often choose the install drive, and you'll see download progress in the library or downloads section. If install doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the same account and that your PC meets the requirements. That's it. Enjoy your new game, and remember you can revisit the library anytime to manage updates or reinstall later.